Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Visa, Amex, Mastercard, and other cards are being destroyed by Shiba Inu change. News about Shibas. When it comes to meme coins and Ethereum alternatives to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu is one of the most well-known names. Shiba Inu has been having a hard time because its price dropped more than 88% from its all-time high. The price of Shiba Inus has been going up for a few days now, after going down many times. In fact, the price of Shiba Inus has gone up 3.6% in the last 24 hours. This happened after Satoshi Kusama, the lead creator for Shiba Inu, announced the release of the long-awaited Shibarium, the platform's Layer 2 blockchain. Kusama said in a tweet that Shibarium would be out soon after the new year, which has made the price of Shiba Inus go up. It will take time to tell if this rise in Shiba Inus will last. We are going to talk about how Shiba Inu coin is killing Visa in this video. More than just Amex and Mastercard. News about Shibas. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see our newest videos about Shiba Inus, price forecasts, and expert analysis, please share the channel and subscribe. Let's start the video right away. We should check out what Shiba Inu does on January 6th. Shiba Inu prices have gone up 3% in the past 24 hours. SHIB is worth about $0.000008519 now, which is 3% more than it was 24 hours ago. The Shiba Inu has done well in the first 5 days of the new year and has made about 6% in returns over the last 30 days. It's still down 9% though, because the current rise hasn't been enough to make up for the bad month of December. According to Binance's caller release today, January 6th, it took away a stop to trading in favor of spot trading. For each pair, the Arsonic, SHIB/GBP, Alpha/BNB, ASTR, Seller/ET/FX, and /ETH were given. But the tokens made the spot trading successfully. Pairs Volition Inactive Beryllium available to customers through a variety of trading choices linked to the exchange. With the motorboat of the Shibarium solution coming up soon, Binance wants to give its users a better experience. The team of developers has taken to Twitter to talk a lot about the long-awaited event. In particular, the team put an end to rumors that different Astor tokens were needed to successfully bid on the caller network. In Shibarium, developers say that BONE is still the only currency that is chosen for state fees and daily use. The team also said that Shibarium is part of the SHIB assemblage, and that it was the inspiration for a new part of the evolving SHIB arsenic environment. On Friday, signs of the US economy made people want riskier investments. There is a good chance that the Fed will raise interest rates in February based on the US jobs report and the ISM non-manufacturing PMI. The Nasdaq index went up because of a change in public opinion that was caused by slower wage growth and a decline in the non-manufacturing sector. There was a 2.56% rise in the Nasdaq index and a 2.28% rise in the S&P 500. Investors are looking forward to the Shibarium upgrade, which is making the event even better. The Shibarium network sent out its most recent update on the Shibarium upgrade. In it, they said, "On our last post, we wanted to remind everyone that BONE is the necessary gas token for operation within the Shibarium." The official word is also out that every Shibarium exchange will burn SHIB. The Shibarium network then said, "Right now, our focus is on delivery." As we get closer to the beta launch, please stay tuned for more details. To find out more about the protocol, please visit shibarium.net and our main websites. The news helped a bullish SHIB morning session with higher burn rates, SHIB price going up. In the past 24 hours, a whale has moved a huge SHIB stack worth $28.7 million, which has hurt Shiba Inus by 3%. Since the meme coin had been going up for the first 5 days of 2023, SHIB had a good start to the year. But the asset went from going up to going down, and it has already lost almost all of its recent gains. When it comes to weekly profits, SHIB investors are still 3% ahead of where they started. Still, these gains are a lot less than the 7% value seen yesterday. This suggests that the fall is undoing all the progress the coin has made recently. Whale Alert, a service that keeps track of crypto transactions, says that there was a huge Shiba Inu move on the Ethereum blockchain yesterday. there was a transfer of 3,373,256,285,000 shib, which was worth more than $28.7 million at the time of the deal. It looks like neither the sender nor the receiver of this transaction knew their address. Names and addresses. Since these addresses aren't linked to any known centralized platform, it's possible that they are personal wallets, since a huge number of coins are being moved. It's likely that a whale sent it. Now, it's not clear what the whale was trying to do with this deal, since the receiving end is usually an exchange when the goal is to sell. The same stack of coins is now worth $27.7 million though, because the price dropped after this deal. Still, the fact that SHIB has become the most traded token among the 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the last few hours could be a good sign for people who own it. Whale stats say that this new interest could be for selling, just like the whale from yesterday. But since trade started after the price had already been going down, it might be better to buy instead. Once the price of the Shiba Inu went above the 50-day moving average, the outlook for the price went up. A very popular meme coin called Shiba Inu is about to get a technology boost that will change the game. The information was posted on the Shibarium Network's official Twitter account on January 5th because the people who made it wanted to thank the community for getting people excited about the upcoming staged launch. The Shibarium development team also put to rest worries that it would have more than one petrol tax ticket. In order to pay for transaction fees, only bound ShibaSwap can be used. The developers were glad to hear that they wouldn't need any other tokens to use the system. Along with XFund, the team is also trying to get the Shibarium beta out as soon as possible. The goal of the Shibarium Shiba Inus Layer 2 solution is to make the ERC20 token its own community. SHIB, the main token in the Shiba Inu community, also went up in value. This has something to do with recent news that some Shibarium code has been put on GitHub, as the army of Shiba Inus waited for Shibarium. One member of the Shiba Inu group who was ahead of his time went even further and started a social networking site. ShibDream VIP, a member of the SHIB army, started it. ShibDream, a social networking site, also said that apps for iOS and Android would be out in January 2023. For news, events, and other things to do in the neighborhood, the SHIB Army VIP app will be the place to go. Also, registered users can use the layout's ease of use to find the most well-known SHIB community members. There are hashtags and even job openings. Because ShibDream revealed what was going on, the SHIB's burn rate went up. It's not the official SHIB development team's work that the SHIB Army is. The writer helped run a news blog about Shiba Inus and came up with ShibDream NFTs. However, it might make the SHIB exchange rate go up. Shiba Inu art by Chitoshi Kusama is well known. Over 865,000 people follow Kusama on Twitter, even though she stays private. Kusama, on the other hand, plans to tell the SHIB army who he is. A person on Twitter named ShibBPP shared a strange picture in one of his most recent tweets on December 28th. The picture is of a Discord chat that Kusama made in which he